Hi, welcome to ERPNext video tutorials. The next thing which we have is an item price. Okay, so all the items which we add, there is some price associated with it. There is a selling price which is associated, there is a buying price which is there, which we need to track and then fetch it in the transactions automatically. And when we talk about item price, there are two important masters which we need to understand here. First is price list, and then second is item price. Okay, so what is the meaning of price list in ERPNext? So let's say this is an item. Okay, and within the item master we see this field called item price, and let's assume that this item is available in two rates. So how would we manage it? So within the stock module, if we see, there is a feature called price list. So let's say we can procure this item locally, then the rate is say $10. But if we procure the same item from our supplier in Europe, then there would be a separate rate, and even the currency could be separate, right? So to manage this use case, we'll have to make two different price lists. So here we have standard buying, which we can use, which is used for buying transactions. Okay, so the currency is USD, which is a base currency of this company, Muji. And let's add an edit price. So it brings us to the item price form, and here I select say Fevicol as an item and standard buying, and rate is say 20. Add it in full page, then it will automatically fetch the unit of measurement of the item. The currency is for this price list which we are using is USD, so it has also fetched the currency automatically, and we save this. Okay, but let's say there is another there's possibility that if you buy the same item from a supplier in Europe, then there is a different rate applied on it. In that case, what we'll have to do is we'll have to make a new price list. So let me quickly come to the price list master. Right from here, we can add a new price list called buying from euro, wherein the currency is euro, and it will be used mainly for buying transactions. And we save it, right? Once this is saved, we can add an edit price for the specific, for the same product, let's say Fevicol. Uh, when we buy the same item from Europe, then the rate is say 12, like this. So using the price list, we can maintain item prices in multiple currency as well. And within the price list, within the item price, we can maintain the rate based on the unit of measurement and based on the supplier as well. If let's say you generally buy this item, uh, okay, so let me show you from the list view. Fevicol. So generally this product is available for $20. Okay, but if there is a specific supplier which is giving you this product at $18, let's say, so you can create a separate prices for it, wherein you can select that when you buy from this supplier for this same product, he gives you 18 a rate of 18, like this. Or let's say you want to track a rate of this item in a different unit of measurement. How do we do that? So let me just duplicate this, and let's say when we buy the same item in bucket, then the rate would be 90. So what would happen is, as soon as when we are making a purchase order or any purchase transaction, if we change the unit of measurement to bucket, it will fetch this rate. Okay, so and then of course within the item price, we can also mention the valid from and valid up to date. Once valid up to date is mentioned, then after that date, if you make any transaction using this item price, it won't fetch the rate because this item price has expired. So this is how you can maintain the items price list and multiple prices for the same item.
Thanks for watching.